Annex D is the seating plan of Mobella Stadium. Miss Morocco, her husband and her son bought 3 tickets to go and watch the soccer match on a Saturday afternoon. I use Annex D and answer questions that follow. So you have got 3.2.1 is the first question that we have, and it reads, the Morocco's family tickets indicated that they are allocated C13, C14, and C15. They used gate 4 to enter the stadium, give the shortest distance that the Moroccans family can follow to reach their seats with 4 marks. So we refer back to Annexia D. So this is our Annexia D as we try to see in terms of the outlook of that we have of Annexia D. So it's a stadium. The Borges family is said to enter using gate 4. So we are having our gate 4 indicated here. So it means they're going to use this entrance. The question asks us to give the shortest distance that the Borges family can follow to reach their seats. Remember, their seats we've got C13, C14, C15. So we can also identify our seats whereby they are indicated beneath, whereby we have got C13 here, C14, and then C15. So moving from our gates that we have been indicated as gate 4, going to C13, C14, C15. What route should they follow? So obviously they have to enter through C5, whereby we've got an arrow that we have here. When they use C5, they enter into the club south. We see that we have got a club south that we have here, and then they move using the club south. Then when they are there in the club south, they have to move to the next level. They have to move to the next level. That is, they pass through C10, C11. We've got C10 here. So using Club South, they'll pass C10, they'll pass C11, and obviously they would now need to enter. Remember, they will now need to enter to the next level so that they access C12, C13, C14, and C15. So obviously they're going to use stairs to move to the next level. Then they move to C13, C13, C14, and C15. So from Club South to the level of C13, C14, C15, there should be stairs that should be there that they should use so that they go to the next level, which is the level that we are having our C13, C14, C15. So this is exactly the description that we are going to give in our answer section, whereby we are going to say this is our 3.2.1. So they're going to enter through gate as indicated by the question, they have to use at the gate 4. So they enter using the gate 4, and then they have to turn left according to the our stadium. If you go to our gate 4, they enter through the gate 4, then they turn left here, where they're going to move with the arrow to enter to through C5, through C5 into the club south. So this is exactly the description that you are supposed to give. So they enter gate 4, then turn left and turn left. Remember, by turning left, we are here. They should turn left. And then when they turn left, obviously, with this arrow, they're going to enter into a club south using C5. So we are saying they turn left at C5. Then they obviously go through a club south. That is through a club south. Remember, we have got our club south that is being indicated here. So when they are now in club south, they have to pass through C10. They have to pass C10, so we can just indicate where we have our C10. Remember, this is our club south, so they pass C10. Then it's C10. That's where they are going to use stairs to um, enter into the next level where we have a C13, C14, and C15. So we also indicate as such, whereby we say now uh, when they are now in the club south until they reach C10. Until they reach C10, and then they move to the next level using stairs. They move to the next level using stairs, so they are now at this stage whereby they move to the next level using stairs. And then from there, they have to turn right. When they move to the next level, which is this level, they now move right, which is this direction, as they enter to the level that we have C13, C14, and C15. So we are saying next level using stairs, comma, and then turning right. Turning right. When they turn right, that is here. When they turn right, they are going to now going to reach our C13. They are now in the level of C13, C14, C15, where we have the seats. Remember, the seats that they are going to is C13, C14, C15. So from there, they now reach and move to reach C13, C14, and C15. So basically, this is a description that you're supposed to give in terms of the route that is supposed to be followed. So in terms of the next question, we can try to see. The next question reads: Gate 4 that was used by the Moretti family, was it convenient for them to reach their seats in the stadium? State yes or no, and support your answer. So you see that Gate 4 is here. That's where we have our Gate 4. Gate 4 is here, but the seats that needs to be reached. Gate 4 is at this point, and the seats that needs to be reached are here. You can see that we have got a longer distance from Gate 4 to the seats that needs to be reached. So obviously there are nearer gates that can be used. Remember, we've got Gate 6, Gate 7, Gate 8 that are nearer to the seats that we have here, which means according to the question now, they are saying, was it convenient? It means no, it was not convenient. Why? Because we have got nearer gates that are there. So that's the response that you are supposed to give. So we are saying on 3.2.2, we are saying no, it was not convenient. It was not convenient. They could have used gates 6, 7, or 8. They could have used gate 6, 7, or 8, which are nearer. So that's the description. They could have used a gate 6, 7, or 8. or even 9. We can also talk about 9. So we are saying 6, 7, 8, or 9. Which were nearer or closer? So basically, that's the response that we have on the second part. So that marks the questions that we want to cover according to this video. So thank you for listening, and we'll meet again in the next video.